Hello, everyone. I'm Nelson Ramos. I'm the developer of this brand new astrological app called Visual Astro. And I'm here to do a first overview about the features that you can find here, especially because some of them might not be as easily found for a first approach. So um, let's go for it. As you can see, you have the chart data form, which is pretty usual to, to you, all of you. So up here, there's the options for your database charts, just like accessing all the charts that you have, create a new one, edit a new one, then delete. So the usual ones. And at top right, you can find some settings, which is the general settings, where you can choose the language, you can choose the time format that you prefer, even the appearance, where you can have the dark and the light mode, and some add-ons that if you are interested, you can activate. So this app allows you to sync with the iCloud, so you can have your charts, the notes, and the tags synced with all your devices. Speaking of devices, the app is available for the iPad, which is the device that I'm running here, but you can also have the same features, although with a slightly different UI interface, I mean, you have for the iPhone. And from starting the next week, we will have the Mac OS for those that have the Apple chips, starting from the M1 and on. So, without much longer, we can go to the charts. And here we have the chart of Gustav Jung, sorry. That is a very well-known personality in the astrology and also in psychology. In the app, you can easily understand that we have the chart data on your left, and then several sections that you can easily identify at your right. You also have some sliders that are used especially for harmonics or vibrational. Uh, and this is already here because I was working on this. This is already in the third harmonic, but we want the natal chart. The app, especially for the iPhone, is quite useful, but here you can do the same, which is pinch to to zoom in and scroll I mean pan along the chart, so you can inspect a little better sometimes crowded areas in the charts. Um, more you have some options up here as usual. You can go back to the chart data. Here you can quick pick some charts that you have for um, some more specific work with a group of charts that you want. Here you have the chart notes that you can add on. Also, this part is about the transits and the progressions that we will deep dive later on in another video. So this won't take that long. Here you have the comparison between charts, where you have the composite Davison method one and the bi-wheels. Here is the vibrational chart report, something to be analyzed further on, and the chart settings, where you can enable or disable the points or celestial objects that you want, if you want to aspect them or not. the asteroids and the Uranian planets if you want to have them in your chart. Um, the chart aspects are defined right here, so you can customize to the orbs that you want. So this is just a warning regarding the standard orbs for the vibrational, but you can customize as you wish. You have also quite a big list of non-Ptolemaic aspects that you can aspect them or not, having them visible. And you can also do a proportional change of the orbs if you want to use this option for the orb factors. Anyway, these are independent, so the natal chart or the synastry, transits and progressions are completely independent. And there are some more options here that you can define at your own taste, as you wish. You can find here the usual list of our systems, also the zodiac types. And if you want to hide the longitudes of the planets, just like this, you can notice there. I will activate because I think most of the people would want to see them there. And if you don't want to see the feature of vibrational features, you can hide them with this toggle here. I will keep them anyway. And for those that want to customize and have the work area as they like, you can hide sections and even reorder them for a better more adapted workflow. So this is an overview of the options that you have. I will just show you the idea of the sections that you can expand and see it more. You can see that in the positions you have some visualization on what is there. The declination is red because it's an out of bounds there. And you can also in many of the sections that we have, not all, but almost all of them, you can highlight them and see with better with a better interface height. You can highlight the aspects that you want. You have some helps here with some meanings, and you can clear them this way. We can go to the houses and see the information that you might find interesting to have, just like the rulerships, the placements, and all that. And some analysis of the distribution of the planets and points on the elements, modalities, and polarities. The anti-seer will behave the same way that the aspects, so you can select any planet and see the anti-seer or the counter anti-seer with those dots that you can watch here. So, moreover, you have the midpoints where you can do exactly as the anti-seer, and you can even work with many. I'm going to remove me from there, and the anti-seer you can work with several highlights to cross between some features that you want to see in the chart. The midpoint structures, you can find it here, and you have some other interesting features. These come from the VA, and there's some explanation about what this is all about. and even highlighted, sorry, highlighted like here, so you can easily see where are those circuits in this case, or even for the isosceles trapezoids, we don't have any, but we can go here and just highlight the ones that you want to see, just like this. And you can expand to see more information that might be useful for a better interpretation. So, and that would be it for this quick overview on the apps current features. Please subscribe because I will be create more tutorials, more specific tutorials on the various features, it's like the transits and the progression, the secondary progressions, and even others that would take too long for an overview just like this. So that way, if you subscribe, you will be informed whenever I load more tutorials just like this. So any questions or doubts or inquiries, please write below and I'll answer as quick as I can. Again, thank you for your attention, for your interest, and I hope you can try the app, which is free for download. We have some in-app purchases for some users, but for the natal chart, it's completely free. And please tell me what you think of it, and any suggestions or remarks, please contact me. I'll be waiting for them. Thank you so much. See you next time.